Hey everyone, this is a walkthrough of the Schematic Editor user interface. In the bottom left corner is the live chat box where you can message Upworker engineers with any questions that you have at any time. We usually respond within a minute or two during business hours and often late into the night. At the very top are 4 tabs for the 4 main applications in Upworker. There's the System Designer, the Schematic Editor, the PCB Layout Editor, and the Constraints Manager. You can click the tabs to toggle between them, but it's actually faster to just hit the tab key to toggle between the 2 most recently used applications, which are usually the Schematic and Layout Editors. In the top left corner is the Project drop-down menu, which you can use for managing your project. To the right is the Collaborators drop-down, which lists which of your teammates are working on the design in real time. On the left is the fundamental toolbar that has everything you need to create your schematic. Tools for selecting and filtering objects in your schematic, adding components from Upworker's large parts database, drawing nets and buses to connect your components together, adding flags for ground, power, and other signals, adding text to your design, drawing markup and annotations to track things that need to be fixed, module creation for hierarchical designs, and finally a tool for panning or moving the design. On the right side is a series of panels that give you real-time information about your design. The powerful search box helps you find almost any object on your schematic. The History panel shows all of the changes you've ever made so you can undo as much as you need. The Concierge Panel shows the status of the Parts Concierge creating and verifying parts for you. The Issues panel works together with the Markup tool to list and track issues and reminders for your design. The Property Inspector lists all of the attributes of the selected component, such as its parts number and other values. The Constraints panel lists real-time design rule violations, and it can be filtered by schematic or layout violations. The Netlist displays all of the nets in your design, and you can click on those to navigate to them. Similarly, the Parts list lists all of the parts in your design, and you can also click to navigate. In the bottom right, there's a toggle for displaying and hiding pin numbers. These are hidden by default to keep your schematic clean.